Well, as you can see, this roof here, it's got a big bow in it. Right there, from right there, it bows down and then back up to this post over here. So I think I got an idea here. I got a 2x6, screwed it to this brace here, and I got it down here on my floor jack. Yeah, I know, crazy, right? Well, we're gonna see if it works. All right, so I got my extra 2x6 right here. Got it screwed in good on both ends. Just let it down, see what happens. See what it looks like. There it is, folks. Not perfect, but it is way better than it was. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.